Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a tax amendment online. First, determine if an amendment is truly necessary for your specific tax situation. Gather all your original tax documents, including any new information that prompted this change. Understanding the precise reasons for amending your return is a crucial initial step, ensuring you have all the facts ready. Once you've decided to amend, use your preferred tax software to prepare Form 1040X, the amended U.S. individual income tax return. Carefully enter your original figures and then the corrected amounts in the appropriate sections. Remember to clearly explain the changes you are making in Part 3 of the form, providing a concise reason for each adjustment. While you can prepare your amendment using online software, most amended returns, specifically Form 1040X, cannot be e-filed directly with the IRS. You will need to print your completed Form 1040X and mail it to the appropriate IRS address. Be sure to attach any required schedules or supporting forms to your amendment before sending it off. After mailing your amendment, you can track its status using the IRS Where's My Amended Return online tool. It's important to be patient, as the IRS typically takes up to 16 weeks to process amended returns. Always keep copies of all submitted documents and correspondence for your personal records, just in case you need them later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.